Okay, good evening students. Today I just want to tell you about the Thomas Splint. Okay, Thomas Splint, it was mainly introduced by the H.O. Thomas. Okay, and it is initially it was used for the immobilization of the TB knee. Okay, but nowadays it is often used for the thigh bone or thigh bone fractures or hip fractures. I mean hip bone. I mean femur neck fractures or femur shaft fractures. So for immobilization in those fractures, Thomas splint is used. It is often used regularly, and it has actually, first of all, I just want to tell you about the parts of the Thomas splint. Okay, Thomas splint, it is mainly made up of a ring, and its parts mainly made up of a ring and two bars, that is one outer bar and one is inner bar. Okay, and um, two are joined distally. Okay, so I just want to tell you about the inner bar does not have any bend. Okay, it is of only 120 degrees in angle. Okay, inner bar, and there is an outer bar which has a bend. Okay, it is mainly for the accommodation or in order to fix the greater trochanter over there. Okay, GT over the notch. Okay, that's why it has a bend outwards in the at the side of the outer bar at the junction of the ring and the outer bar. Okay, so always remember how to measure. Okay, perfect size of the Thomas splint for a suitable patient and all. First of all, ring girth should be of 2 inches of the thigh circumference, and length should be of uh, highest point from the groin to the heel plus 6 inches of you have to add 6 inches to it. So for like that you have to measure the Thomas splint size, and you have to how to apply it. Okay, first of all, both the ends are strapped with a cotton or a gauze. Okay, or also you can use a straps for by creating a support. Okay, you just strap the both bars, and you can apply. See, while you are immobilizing the patient, you have to use lots of strapping methods. They are adhesive strapping methods, okay, or non-adhesive strapping methods. Okay, so non-adhesive strapping methods are regularly used because in order to avoid injury or friction or burns, boils, or blister formations, to avoid all these things, we are regularly used in non-adhesive strapping methods. Okay, so for that you have they have a cords and all, long cords or long threads. For that you have to attach some amount of weight in order to maintain the traction, in order to maintain the reduction of the fracture fragments. Okay, so weight, always remember, it is of about 2.5 kgs. Okay, it depends upon the patient's weight also, but the usual weight you have to use is the for skin traction and all 2.5 kgs. For pin traction and all we can use more weight up to 5 kgs. Okay, so remember these things. So today class about Thomas Splint, I hope it will help you a lot, because you while you come across the wards and all during your internship program or daily wards. Okay, daily wards classes and all. So try to just use the Thomas splint and how to strap the how to how to measure for a patient. I mean how to choose a splint for a patient and all. Just make the splint ready for the patient in order to keep his leg and all. Just try to do all these activities. Okay, and mainly Thomas splints are very much useful for the babies and all, 1-year-old babies, 2-year-old babies. Okay, I in my uh, during my classes and all, during my studies and all, I come across Ifonsa. She has an femoral shaft fracture. Uh, our beloved assistant professor had teached that method. It, you know, it comes, you know, it the comes out of the I mean the outcome of the children, I mean fraction management and all, it's very good. For children it is a very good option. So just try to learn and habituate. I'm not all, I just want to, you know, introduce such type of methods early to you. So thank you, I hope it's helpful all. Bye.